ọkwụnụma onye mee nke ọma ebunie ya elu si ya jide nke o ji na-aga n'iru biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kene na Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ego adị Eze-Ana ugochitubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ego adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi Eze-Ana Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ugochitubelu onye mmanye je eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru Eze-Ana ga-adị ugochitubelu ga-adị ugochitubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erigo anyị front and back ndị oche eli anyị front and back faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ mepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo. We are here on the program Hour of Truth. Anyị abịakwa n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Oge anyị ji wee na-awa eziokwu niile agba. Nke ọ bụ mụnwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu na-anọ n'isi. Maka ndị ọbụta akpa izizi ha na-afụ m n'eziokwu TV ma ọ bụ na social media platforms anyị. Kpọọ m Ogbuefi Eze-Ana ugochitubelu na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration evangelical mission rụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị tata n'oge awa nke eziokwu, today's topic is all you need to know about oath of life. All you need to know about oath of life. Ihe niile ị ga-ama gbasara iyi ụwa mmadụ. Ihe niile ị ga-ama gbasara iyi ụwa mmadụ. Both negative and positive. So if you pay attention to this lecture, believe in me, you will learn something good. Something you may have not heard about in the past. So what you will do for me is to share it. If you are watching from social media platforms, invite your friends so that they will hear from the horse's mouth. If you are following me from Eziokwu TV, tell people about our administration. Tell people about our channel. So let's proceed. Before we do that, important announcement. Important announcement is this. Echefuna, don't forget, we are still on the monthly rituals of July. You can still join us. Or you can say join us for the month of August. People are joining already. This our monthly ritual is sacrifice for liberation, upliftment, and breakthrough. As you go na aja iri ni Igbo a wee bụ n'imirikite ndị mmadụ elu. Mana anyị anaghị esho ihu ọrụ na social media ma ọ bụ na our social media platform ma ọ bụ n'Eziokwu TV. You know why? Ọ bụrụ ihe anyị maka ebe. Mana I can tell you na esigo na aja anyị na-achụ n'Igbo bụ n'imirikite ndị mmadụ elu. Anyị malitere ịchụ aja almost 3 years now. can tell you when the next one every year. January, he book go through the year. Ihe anyị na-eme bụ na anyị na-ewere ya 3 prayer request ebe na altar na-achụ aja na-aga ọfọ na-ekwubi okwu n'isi ganye na ọnwa agwụ. Yes, n'isi ụtụtụ eje go in the temple chụọ aja go ọfọ make declaration upon the lives of those that join us. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world because distance is never a barrier in all our spiritual work and activities. Then let's proceed. At the end of the month, I will go to the river to offer sacrifice. Yes. So entities of powers, those Saraka and with eatable things on behalf of all. Yes. We do it every month. So we now proceed to home, to the temple. Offer sacrifices on behalf of all. Yes. So kill rams, we do Saraka and rest of them on behalf of all. So you can join us if you are interested in joining us. Forward your 3 prayer requests, then make token donation to the account number. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I will give you our WhatsApp number you will take to reach us. Yes. So our WhatsApp number is 0805 7837 I repeat, 0805 7837 or 0813 82 43871. Or you look on your screen, you will see our number if you are following us from Ezeana TV. Then let's proceed. Like I told you, our today's lecture is all you need to know about oath of life. What is oath of life? Oath of life is those decisions you made consciously or unconsciously. Yes. Let me tell you what you don't know. There is power in spoken words. Because God Almighty created the entire universe by mere word, by mere spoken words. So don't forget that we human beings, we have this spark of God in us. This spark of God is what made us God, small gods. We are given the authority to create, to dominate, to rule our world. Humans have this ability, human spirits have this ability to create and recreate. So whatever you will be here on the earth, whatever you want to be, you create it yourself. Yes, whatever you will be, you create it yourself. If you don't like what is happening to you right now, I can tell you, you can create it now by the way you live your life. You have this supernatural power to create and recreate. Because there's power in you. The inner you possess power. That is the spiritual you. And our spoken words has power and life in it. So mind how you speak. Some people, what they are suffering today is as a decision of the decision they made, knowingly and or unknowingly. But I can tell you, life is all about garbage in, garbage out. What you give to creation, so shall you reap. Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 says, and I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is what you reap. Natural laws have already taught us that whatever you plant, nurture, so shall you reap. So we human beings have created negativities, positivities without even knowing. But law of karma ensure that whatever you sow, knowingly or unknowingly, will flow back to you, the originator. There is some decrease you made, knowingly or unknowingly, excuse me, that is hurting you today. That decision you made might be positive or it might be negative. And because there is power, you have the power. Go and read Genesis chapter 1. You will see where Chukwuoke was given man mandate that you have power to create, to rule. So sometimes decisions you made, you pronounce it by word of mouth, and it will be sealed in the great beyond, in the spiritual realm, that this is what you have decreed in good faith. So let me give you some examples. Sometimes you will see some people, they will say in their next word, maybe a man, he make decrees that in his next word that he wish to be a man. Sorry, he's a man. He said in the next word that he need to remain a man. Or some will say that in his next word that he wish to be a woman. This is a pronouncement. This is decree. This is your longing. This is your wish. So once you made it, it will be noted in the spiritual realm that this is your longing. And believe in me, once your thought goes in that direction, you act it. And those decisions will be kept for you intact. Sometimes you make declaration. I have seen somebody, because you married, you're a woman, you got married. After laboring in vain to raise your children, at the end of the day, your children became almost useless. They did not even remember you. And this woman pronounced in anger that in her next word that is not interested in child making, bearing children, because based on her and her present experience, it was like he did not favor her. So that he wished to be here on earth, live her life, and pass away. There is also some people that make declaration knowingly and unknowingly. Maybe as a woman, let me give you another example. A woman, after showing love to her husband, raising children, at the end of the day, you will not benefit anything. The husband, so therefore, some of them will say, no way else on the other interested. So sometimes if you make such pronouncement, you will thought it's just humanity's sake. But believe in me, such pronouncement has been documented in the spiritual realm. There is this spiritual guide that normally guide you. Their work is to weave whatever you say. Your work, your deeds, your thought, your intentions, your deeds. Their work is to take note of all the good and the bad. Whatever you have committed, they take note of it. And they kept them intact. Because those things you did, those decisions you made, must flow back to you. So be mindful of what you say. Some parents, small thing, they will be angry. Out of anger, some of them have said some unprintable words against their children in anger. Like parents normally say it. This thing they have done to me, your children must do it to you. Stop saying such words. That exactly what you are saying is like curse to your children. So stop saying it. So remember, whatever you say become alive. knowingly and unknowingly. So, oath of life is those decisions you made. Some will say, no was ya ga-abịa, na ya ga-abụ nnukwu mmadụ. There are some people that make positive declarations, oath of life. Some will say, in the next world, na ọ ga-abụ onye eze. Some make you in the next world, ya, na ọ ga-amụ ọmụmụ, baa ụba. Some make the declaration that they will be very wealthy, have children, and worked. Some make such declarations, and it become a life. It's a living thing. Word of mouth is not just mere something. No, there's power in spoken words. So some will say in the next word that he wish or long to be born in a rich family, so that he will be a princess or a prince. All these are positive oath of life. Some will take their oath that in the next world, if they are coming, that there will be a bringer of message to their people. Some say that in the next world there will be a physician. Some declare that in their next world there will be a prophet. Some declare that there will be a doctor. All these things has a role to play in our lives. Some even make some declaration in the next world, if he or she comes, that he wishes to be this or that. So some of these decisions he made have a role to play in your present earth life. Some choose to be a prominent person. Some choose to be a mother that maybe in their previous earth life they did not live long to bear children, or they did not even give birth at all. In this present earth life, he now said in her previous earth life that no was all Gabia, no Ganu, no Gamo, no Gamu, the tomb, it becomes oath of life. So some take some certain decisions. No was all Gabia, no Gabo, no Bugano, Niano, Gologondo, or Wasaria. Some we make some declaration that in their next world that they will live long enough. All these are both negative and positive oath of life. But what I want to tell you today is this: mind what you say. Never make some decisions in life with anger. Sometimes you take some drastic decisions that will hurt you tomorrow. Control your tongue. Know today there is power in spoken words. By spoken words we create. Yes. By our thoughts we create. By our deeds we create. So be mindful of your body language, your speech, word of your mouth. It's very essential that you use them because karma is there. You should to take note of all the decisions, the talk, the body language, whatever you decide. Yes, is noted. Is noted. So be mindful of whatever decisions you make in life. Yes, take note of the decisions you make in life, because whatever decisions you make in life will make or mar you in life. So what am I saying in essence is this: pay attention to what you say. Don't take decision in a haste. Don't make some positive or negative decisions. Think about them. Couple of times for you to be sure that this decision you are taking now is of good that this decision you are taking now is the best. So for that reason, you must ensure that whatever decision you take now is the right one. So if for any reason you have taken negative oath of life in your previous life that is hurting you today, there is something you must do. If you have taken negative oath of life that is hurting your life today, there is something you can do. If you have taken negative oath of life, what you have to do is to do what I call negative oath of life reversal. Ụfọdụ na-eji abụọ iyi ụwa, but that is old fashioned. Yes, because in abụọ iyi ụwa gị, example iyi ụwa gị dị negative, are you condoning it? Are you making it to remain permanent? So gịnị ka a na-abọta n'iyi ụwa? Ụfọdụ nwere ike kpọọ ndị dibịa na-abụ iyi ụwa, gịnị ka ọ ya abọta? O nwere ike bọta mkpụrụ aka iyi. Yes. O nwere ike bọta miro. O nwere ike bọta ego ayọ. O nwere ike bọta akara aka. Some of those things ọ bọtara now, ụfọdụ etinye n'ọkụ na-egburu ya anụ. Is it what you want? Are you honoring the negative oath of life that is not even palatable? What is your intention of doing this? So the modern understanding have proved that method inactive. So what we do is I ask Wari Ofo, make new declarations, superimpose where TD Ofo, or superincede the previous negative oath of life. So as go rudi wonye uru no nwere ihe iji ogologo ndụ eme na ihe ma wee lụọ dị mmụọ ofu nwa mmụọ ebu anyị na Chukwu, we can reverse it. Maka na okwu ekwuru n'ọnụ na ihe aṅụrụ aṅụ na ihe akwara, you can reverse it using okwu ekwuru n'ọnụ maka na ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. Enwego ọtụtụ ndị there are so many people that have took negative decisions and they reverse it. So I can tell you that negative oath of life can be reversed. Are you following? So ọ bụrụ na ị nwere iyi ụwa, iyi n'ụwa mbụ gị, ọ na-emezi gị agba mbụ atụọ n'ogbe, agba abụọ atụọ n'ogbe, ọwụsọ ogbe ka apịrị akụ. So we have a way of superseding it with positivity. TD Ofo, ike Chukwu ọbụla maka na ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. Ọ ihe anyị mere. Now, ọ bụkwa nnọọ negative oath of life, ọ bụ not positive oath of life, o nwere ka a ga-esi eme ya. Ọ bụ nọ nke dị positive, activate ya. That ihe ahụ ị ṅụrụ nwa mbụ gị, na ị ga-abụ odogwu, na ị ga-adị oturu ojii, na ị ga-adị great. That greatness will begin to manifest by activating it. So, whether it's negative, that is tormenting you, disturbing your present existence, we have a way of reversing it in the temple. Now, if it's positive oath of life that is still yet to be unlocked, that you are yet to begin to witness those positive oath of life, we activate it. We'll share TD Ofo, make activate it by the power of Chukwu. We begin to manifest those positive oath of life will begin to manifest. So, whether it's negative or positive, if it's negative, we reverse it as by body with positivity by making new declarations for your life. If it's positive, we activate it so that positivity will begin to manifest in your life. So what am I saying in a nutshell? Wherever you are is revealed in Alpha. The way we do it in the temple is to ascertain whether it's negative or positive. If it's positive, we activate it. If it's negative, we reverse it. Yes, because it can't be no one. In the temple, I ain't seen a catch you. So, and the one on from your own ending, Na-ekwubi okwu na all things have passed away. Everything has gone new. Make new declarations. Na-ekwubi n'okwu maka na ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. So ịgbara nkịtị mgbe ọ bụla ị nwere negative out of life, or this it will look as if this thing is part of you. If it's negative, you can reverse it. So let me know. What I'm telling you today is no, control your talk, the word of your mouth. From today, start to reverse them with positive speeches. Before you say something, ponder over that thing over and over. This thing I'm about to say, will it uplift me, or will that thing bring me down? Now or later. Be mindful of your speech. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, yes, that is all you need to know about out of life. I can tell you that some of the things you are passing today is as a result of decisions you made in your previous life. So if you have questions in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672 or 0813 82 43 871. As m na ọ bụrụ na ọnwa eburu oje ju echu aja, emechaa na ọya ekwu ome. In the name of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, remain blessed. See you tomorrow. Thank you.